If you're experiencing billing issues on WhatsApp, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Review your bank account or credit card statement to confirm that the payment information is up to date. Step 2. Review WhatsApp subscription status. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the settings. Check your subscription status to see if it is active or if there are any issues indicated that need your attention. Step 3. Update WhatsApp. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Go to your device's app store, search for WhatsApp, and update the app if a new version is available. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to WhatsApp customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your billing problem, including screenshots if possible, to help them assist you better. Step 5. Monitor for resolution. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or WhatsApp messages for any updates regarding your billing issue. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to respond and resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to address any billing issues you encounter on WhatsApp. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from your payment provider.